Assalamu alaikum. Masjid An-Nur is now on Athan Plus app by Masjidal. In this video, we'll go over some key features. In order to select An-Nur as your masjid, simply search for An-Nur in the search bar and select the one in White Marsh. Once you've selected Masjid An-Nur, make sure to favorite the masjid by clicking the heart button in the top right corner. Click on the three dots in the bottom right of the app to open up your settings. In your settings, go to your default screen and make sure that it is set to My Masjid. This will allow you to go straight to Masjid An-Nur when you open the app. Now click on My Masjid tab in the bottom to go back to the Masjid An-Nur page. A neat feature you'll notice is the carousel of images at the top. Clicking on any of these images will open up the picture for the various events that we have going on at the masjid. As you scroll down, you'll see our prayer times for the Iqamah at the masjid. And if you click on monthly prayer times, it'll open up to the monthly timings that we have for Masjid An-Nur. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice that you can see announcements where we'll send out information to you all whenever important notifications come through. Here you'll also see various links, such as our donate page, where it will link you to our donation portal, where you can donate to a variety of projects here at the masjid. Clicking on the memberships button will navigate you to our memberships portal, where you can specify a recurring amount to donate to the masjid. We also include a button to our YouTube channel, where it will navigate you straight to our YouTube page. If you continue scrolling, you'll navigate to our events, where we'll post various events that we have at the masjid. Clicking on these events will bring up information about the event, such as when it's occurring and various related images, as well as a way to add it to your calendar. Last but not least, if you click on the red button in the bottom right, you'll see all of our projects that we have here at the masjid, and clicking on these will navigate you to our donation portal where you can donate to that project. That concludes this video. Jazakallah khair for watching.